Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So I'm talking about the apps that you've previously opened and that they are stored in the recents. I'm not talking about the background apps that are forced by the system, for example. For this, you can check our another tutorial. So to close running apps, we need to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. So all we need to do is to close them. So you can do it one by one just by swiping them up. However, let's be honest, if you've got a lot of apps opened, it's not really that convenient. So simply scroll to the very left and tap on clear all. Now we can go back, and as you can see here, we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.